most of it. It's like stuck to my tongue and my teeth, and every now and then it's like, does that milk sour? It tastes sour. Oh, God, my whole life is... Because I thought, I eat it, and it's just like amp up the energy for the video, and I'd just be like, quirky and weird. I thought I'd be so random. And I thought it would just make for a funny, like, energetic, pumped out video. No! It took up way more of my concentration than I thought about. Sides of my tongue are the worst right now. They used to be out here, but the sides of my tongue are literally burning balls of red hot rage. Jacksepticeye freeze wall. I may have hopefully Jacksepticeye. It's his eye. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the game. That's a weird sentence.